Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we just received the new KugooKirin S4 Electric Scooter from Kugoo Electric Scooters. So thanks for them. You can check their website in the description below the video. Time for unboxing. Need help?
Pull it. Ooh. Flocky, do you want to be in the box?
First he wants.
Oops.
This is coffin.
Oh wow.
It smells fresh. Charger. Steering wheel.
Wow.
Just need to screw it in. We need air.
Oh wow. That's it.
Ta-da! Just need to add some air here.
I like it, this one. So huge.
You will like it. If you like air. Pneumatic tires. Light. It's touchscreen? I don't think so. Oh, it is actually.
It's touchscreen.
Mode.
What does it mean?
Speed.
Okay.
Third is the highest. But that's how it closes. It's not that heavy. I think Xiaomi is heavier. 13.5 kilos. It's not as heavy. 1, 2, 3. I think first one is 15 kilometers per hour. Second is 25. And third is 35. That's maximum speed.
Oh wow.
Nice.